Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make paper squishies just like these. I had this one, and this one. I have more. But they're so easy to make. Anyone can make these. All you need is a napkin or toilet paper, tape, and scissors. So how you make these is if you're using a napkin, you take your napkin and you open it all the way up like this and cut each of the little squares, which I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I have cut each of my napkins. I have 4 pieces now, and I'm going to take the 2 matching napkins and put them on top of each other like this. And then after you have them on top of each other, you will take and fold, just like that. And then you're going to take your scissors and cut. I'm going to make a little one. Not that big, but not too small. About this size is what the size I'm going for is. You can draw a face right now. If you're making it, you have to draw it before you put the tape on it. So I'm going to draw a cute little face. All I ended up doing was drawing 2 circles and putting eyelashes on it. And now I'm going to do a little face. Let me draw the face. So I just put a little bit of nail polish on it so I can make a little tongue and fleshy cheeks. And you don't have to wait for the nail polish to dry if you are putting any nail polish on it. You can just go straight ahead and put the tape on, just like me. I'm gonna go straight ahead. And you put the tape on until the whole figurine thingy is covered with tape. So I have put tape all over the front, so now I'm going to do it with the back side. I have covered both the back and the front. So remember these scraps that you use to cut this, you are going to use your scissors and make this a party. And if you don't want to make it a little itty bitty bits of a party, just rip it like that. Confetti. But before you try to stuff your thing up, you have to take more tape. Yes, more tape. Grab the tapes. Grab both of your figures. Put them together like this. And put tape in that. Now they are connected. And you want to do that all around, but don't forget to leave a gap right here. On the bottom, on the side, wherever. You just need to leave an itty bitty hole like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put the tape on all the way around. Just like, and you don't need a lot, so I'm not going to waste, so I'm going to cut this tape in half and take my other piece and put on all the way around. And as you can see, I have left a gap right there that my finger can fit through. So now I'm going to take my little party here, with my finger, I'm going to make it a little puppet. Just kidding. I'm going to use that hole so I can put in my stuffing. Just stuff it in with your finger, like so. I think I should have left a bigger hole. Yeah, no. I'm just gonna hold it like this and put it in by the. Okay, so I'm kind of getting some in. Kinda yes, kinda no situation. Which mostly yes, I'm getting some in. Once you start getting some in, you're not gonna have to do the same struggle of putting it in. So basically, I have mine full. If you need more of the little party, you just take another piece of a napkin and then just start stuffing it. And you just want to take another piece of tape and close it on up. And now you have a little squishy friend. And if you are making it with a napkin, you have to cut them into fourths. So you're gonna have another piece of paper. So you can make even more squishies. That's it for now, guys. Bye.